The Walnut Avenue Bikeway is a new signature bikeway facility in Fremont, California. The Walnut Avenue Bikeway is 1.2 miles long and extends along Walnut Avenue from Mission Boulevard to Paseo Padre Parkway. The Walnut Avenue Bikeway features several design elements that are relatively new to the Fremont community. These include a raised bikeway design and protected intersections. Raised bikeways ensure safety and comfort for bicyclists by positioning them up at the sidewalk level, where they are physically separated from vehicles. The project also features 4 protected intersections, which is an intersection design that ensures safety for all users. Protected intersections shorten crossing distances for bicyclists and pedestrians, ensure that vehicles make turns at slower, safer speeds, position bikes and pedestrians ahead of vehicles where they are clearly visible, and eliminate the need for bikes to mix with high-speed traffic to make turns. As a motorist, when driving along Walnut Avenue, be sure to yield to bikes and pedestrians when making right turns. When exiting driveways, be aware that bicyclists will be riding on the raised bikeway. Stop at all limit lines in advance of crosswalks, and do not stop in marked keep clear zones. As a bicyclist, or if using a two-wheeled device such as a scooter on Walnut Avenue, be sure to ride in the bikeway. Be aware that the bikeway is a one-way facility and ride with the correct direction of travel. As a bicyclist, make left turns in 2 stages, as you would like a pedestrian. Wait in marked detection zones at traffic signals to get a green light, and proceed with vehicle green lights. You do not need to use a push button as a bicyclist to trigger a traffic signal on Walnut Avenue. Last, as a bicyclist, yield to pedestrians whenever there is a crosswalk marked across the bikeway. The white triangles or shark's teeth in the bikeway indicate the point at which you should yield. As a pedestrian, be sure to walk on the sidewalk, not in the bikeway, on Walnut Avenue. Pedestrians should use the Pedestrian Ramp, which is the ramp next to the push button with detectable warning domes. Pedestrians should use push buttons and follow pedestrian countdown signals as with any other traffic signal. Thanks for viewing the video, and we invite you to experience for yourself the Walnut Avenue Bikeway.